Mukha over. We'll start with the feet slightly apart. Hands on your lower back, thumb on the lower back, elbows open. Slowly, slightly bend the knees. Keep inhaling. Keep moving the chest up towards the ceiling. Push the hips forward. Inhale, slowly straighten your legs. Try and look back as much as you can. Bend backward. Straighten the legs. Open up the chest to the ceiling. Keep breathing. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhale. Head down. Release. Inhale. Take 2-3 breaths. Now from there, once more. Left hand behind the back. Support your back. Take the right hand up and reach all the way back. Straighten the legs. Inhale. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Other side, take the right hand behind your back, support your back, feet slightly apart, body nice and tall. Slowly bending backwards, knees slightly bent. As you bend backwards, push the hips, straighten the legs. Take the hand back, support your back with your right hand. Reach all the way back. Try and look at your thumb or down. Keep lifting up the chest. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release, relax. Come down here on all fours. Hands in front. From here, Adho Mukha. Feet slightly apart. Push the hips back nicely. Straighten the legs. Now inhale and come all the way in front to Urdhva Mukha. Keep the knees down. Heels pushing backwards and up. Straighten the arms. Chest open. Shoulders back. Look up at the ceiling. Keep breathing. Keep pushing the chest forward and up. Press all the toes firmly. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Turn your toes out. Relax. Keep your head on your hands. Relax for a few seconds. Now take your hands next to your chest. You can keep the feet slightly apart if that is more comfortable for your back. Shoulders back, elbows in, and press the hips down, lift up. Shoulders open, chest open, pushing forward and up. Press the hips down, tighten the legs. Keep looking up at the ceiling. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Head down, relax in Makrasana. Now from there, sit back. Push the hips back. All the way back, Shashankasana. Keep the knees and legs slightly open. Move your hands forward and slowly bring your chest on the mat, chin on the mat, look in front and stay there. Try to press the chest, straighten the arms, push the hips back, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up, walk your hands back, come to Adho Mukha. Feet little closer, head down, Push the hips back. Take 2-3 breaths there. Relax. And from here, come lift the heels up, come on your toes, straighten the legs. Inhale, right leg all the way up. Push your body backwards, straighten both the legs. And hold the right leg, drop the left heel. Keep lifting the right leg up. Point your toes out and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop the leg behind you. Open up the knee to the ceiling. Open up the hip. Keep pointing the toes towards the ground behind you. Slightly look to the right side. Keep opening the hip. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly leg down. Relax in Shashankasana. Come back to Adho Mukha. Feet a little closer. Straighten the legs. Push the hips back and up. From here, left, both the heels up. Take the left leg up. Point the toes. Straighten both the legs. Push the head in and down. And then drop the right heel. Keep holding the leg straight. Point towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take the left leg behind you. Point the toes to the ground. Turn slightly to the left side. Push the knee to the ceiling and hold it. Straighten the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get the leg down and relax. If you have a blanket or any rug, take the blanket, Ustrasana, the blanket here. First start with the toes tucked under you. Lift the hands up, inhale. On the exhale, place both the hands on your lower back, thumbs on your lower back, support the back, and then slowly inhale, take the right hand up, push the hip forward with the left hand, keep reaching backward with the chest, lengthen the chest backwards, look up if you can, otherwise keep the chin down if it's not possible. Look up at your fingers, keep lifting the chest to the ceiling. Push the hip forward and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, right hand back and relax. Once more, take the hands on your back. Open up the chest. Support the back with the right hand, and this time inhale, take the left hand up near your ear, keep pushing the hips forward, opening the chest, lifting up the chest, and press the toes firmly in the ground, look back all the way as much as you can, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly, head down, top of your head down, hands behind your back. If you can hold the heel, bring the head close to the knees. Push the hips up and just relax it. And come back up again. Keep a small distance between the knees. This time inhale, both hands to the side. On the exhale, one by one, take one hand on the right heel, push the hip forward nicely with the left hand, open the chest and then take the left hand on the left heel, push the hip forward, hold your heels, keep pushing the hip forward and open the chest backwards and up, and drop your head very slowly. Keep looking back, keep pushing the hip forward, open up the chest and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back. Sit back, hips back, all the way back. Hands in front, head down, Shashankasana. And relax. Once more, come back. This time we will turn the toes outwards. And from here, only with one hand, we will inhale, left hand supporting the back nicely. Stretch the right hand up. And try to hold the right hand on the left heel backwards. Push the hip forward and drop the head back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release. Inhale. Exhale. Other side, left hand up. Support the back nicely with the right hand. Stretch the left hand as much as you can. On the exhale, hold the left heel, right heel with the left hand. Push the hip forward. Drop the head back. Keep pushing the hip forward. Support with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly hand back. Relax once more in Shashankasana. From here, slowly, Malasana. If you can, feet slightly wide, turn your toes outwards. Sit back fully, elbows inside. Lift the chest up. If you have too much knee pain, don't do this. You can just sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. If it's very hard, then you can keep your heel on the blanket and sit down. Push the knees open, chest up and hold it there. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Start slowly. Release. Stretch the legs out, shake the legs out. Toes forward and back. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. And turn the knees outwards. Feet together. Hold your fingers under the toes. Open the toes out, outer edge together. Back straight and Baddha Konasana. Keep the back straight, shoulders open. You can just shake the knees up and down like a butterfly. Keep pushing the toes open and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly stretch the legs once more and shake it out. If you want, you can keep the blanket here under the hip and place the hip on the blanket, feet wide, lie down on your stomach. Now from here, feet not too close, not too far, turn your toes out, hands just near your shoulders, You're going to lift the hands up, keeping the feet on the ground. Inhale, keep the head slightly down, stretch the hands in front, tighten the legs, straighten the legs and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the hands. Now keep your head on your hands. You're going to point your toes and lift both the legs up. Tighten your buttock muscles, tighten the kneecaps, straighten the legs fully and hold. 1, 2, very good for you, strengthening your back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly relax in Makarasana. Now from here, you will bend the right leg, stretch both the hands in front. Inhale, take the right hand and hold the right ankle or the right foot. From here, lift the right knee up, lift the left hand up, press the left foot on the mat and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep stretching the left hand, straightening up and lifting the right knee up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release and relax. Other side, bend the left leg, hands in front. Inhale, stretch the left hand. Exhale, hold your left foot or the left ankle. Reach for it. Lift your right hand and chest up. Left knee off the mat. Hold. 1. Tighten the right leg. Straighten the right leg and the right hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Toes out. Makarasana. Just take a few seconds. Relax. Now bend both your knees. Keep the knees slightly apart. And hold both the ankles. Right ankle with the right hand. And left ankle with the left hand. Do Dhanurasana. Inhale and lift your knees up and lift your head and chest up. Push the heels away from the body, toes pointing out. Arms are straight. Hold. Lift up. Push the legs away. Try to lift the chest up. Stay on your stomach and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Legs down. Relax. From there, turn on your right side. Lie down on your back. Bring the heels little close to the body. Chin down. Stretch the hands behind your head. Tighten the arms. From here, press the hip up as much as you can. Press all the toes down. Press your feet down. Tighten your buttocks and push the hip up. Moving the chest towards the chin. Lift, lift, lift. Press the feet. Tighten the legs. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. If you can, hold your ankles. Take a firm grip with all the fingers and thumb around it. Shoulders under you. Press the feet firmly. Slowly walk the feet slightly away. Once more, inhale. Lift the hip up. Push the chest towards the chin. Open the chest up. Tighten the buttocks. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Stretch your legs. Relax for a few seconds. Bend your knees. Hands by your side. Inhale, take both the hands back. Stretch the hands back. Keep your feet together, knees together. Take your legs up to 90 degrees. Turn the toes down. Straighten both the legs. Keep the chin down. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Press your back on the mat and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly down. Now hold your right leg up and with the 3 fingers only the right toe, big toe. Stretch the left leg on the mat. Straighten the right leg. Inhale. Open the right leg to the side. Turn your head little bit to the left side. Left hand to the side. Straighten the right leg. Straighten the right hand. It's okay if it is not on the ground. Hold it there. 1. Keep pulling the right leg towards the right shoulder. Pada Angushtasana. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up and exhale, release. Same thing, other side. Slowly bend the left leg. Hold the big toe with the first 3 fingers. Right hand to the side. Straighten the right hand. Inhale and on the exhale drop the left leg to the left side. Straighten the left leg, left hand. Head slightly to the right side. Straighten the right leg. Keep pulling the left toes towards the shoulder. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring it back and relax. Now bend your knees, feet hip distance apart, hands to the side. Inhale. On the exhale, drop both the knees to the right side. Turn your head completely to the left side. Press the knees down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale to center, let the feet remain there. Exhale to the left side, press both the knees down, turn your head to the right and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and back. Feet together, knees together. Straighten both the legs up. Inhale. On the exhale, drop both the legs straight down to the right side. Turn your head to the left. And bring your toes towards the right fingers. Stretch both the legs out. Place the left heel on the right. Turn your head completely to the left side. Left shoulder on the mat. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly lift the legs up together. Inhale, exhale, drop it to the left side on the left fingers. Straighten the legs, right shoulder on the mat. Turn your head completely to the right and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, legs up, and slowly bring the legs down. Relax. Bend your knees. Take the left knee over the right knee. Interlock the lower legs. Inhale and exhale. Drop the knees to the right side if you want. Pull it with your right hand. Turn your head completely to the left and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back center and release the legs. This time take the right knee over the left knee. Interlock your lower legs. Inhale and exhale. Drop your knees to the left side, right shoulder on the mat. Pull the knee down on the left side. Turn your head to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back center. Release both the legs. Bend your knees. Take your arms around the knees. Hold your elbows or your wrist or your fingers together. Pull the knees in. Turn the toes in. Keep breathing. Inhale. Bring your forehead up to the knees. Don't struggle. Don't pull your neck. Pull the knees in. Hold it there. And slowly head down. Keep breathing. And release the legs. Stretch the legs out. Hands to the side. Relax for a few seconds. Turn to your right side. Get up and get ready for pranayama.